How to delete your Starbucks account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to permanently delete your Starbucks account, well, it's easy and simple. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account section. Now from here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as delete account. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, just tap on the option labeled as request account deletion. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page of the deletion. So here, if you scroll down there, you can see numerous text field. So here in this text field, you need to provide your profile credential, and after that you just need to tap on submit. And once you tap on it, it will process your request and your account deletion will be complete within 45 days. And that's it. That's how you can delete the Starbucks account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.